This is the QSP Canary folding knife. I have the pink G10 scales right here, and I got two blade finishes I wanted to show you. The blades are made out of the Sandvik 14C28N. They're very sharp. They're G10 scales. I have a Blackwash finish and a Stonewash finish. Nice snappy action. Really nice everyday carry. That's a sharp looking knife right there. That's the Stonewash. And then I have the Blackwash. Just fantastic knives, very sharp. This is the QSP Canary folding knives. G10 scales. Stonewash, Blackwash.